Welcome back to my channel and to part 2 of my birthday haul. So I know y'all saw yesterday me just kind of showing you the items and all that, but what's the point if I'm not going to try it on, right? So this is my TryOn haul part 2 for the haul that I showed you yesterday. So I'm actually going to throw these things on. But hold up a minute. If you are not legit CC fam, do me a favor. Make yourself legit. It's my birthday. And you know you dig me, because I dig you too. But anywho, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. Make it ding so you won't miss a thing, alright? So let's go ahead and hop on to it. Alright everyone, so that's a wrap on my birthday haul part 2, actually trying the items on. I hope you all really enjoyed the things that I picked out that stuck to me and really intrigued me for my birthday. I tried to pick some on-trend things for me and also for you all. So I hope if you like these items, you're going to secure them, okay? But always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you all so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.